Back again, folks, with another update.
Hold on, let me call you right back. Hold on, let me call you right back.
Up there you can see where I put the screws in to help hold the wood. A little extra support. Slide out's all looking good. I just didn't put the support rod in up top, the one for the top of the canopy where I put the new bracket, because I want to wait for that glue to dry tomorrow. We'll do an update with it all snug. Looking much better, more secure. The other side we went around over here, and like I said, we had the same problem on this one. The limiter made the new poles for this side. Very simple. Measured them out. I made them a little long, that way if I had to, it's always easy to make them a little shorter. And of course I use the little couplings here, which really make it easy. So when you do, if you like this one, I had to cut because I just made it a little bit too short and I didn't have a stretcher, so I had to use that. Big joke. And on the other side, came out nice, just one pole. So it takes a little bit because you have to push up on these things to seat them in real good, and it's hard to get the exact length if you don't have some measurements from the manufacturer. So other than that, nice and secure, all set. Everything else is not looking too bad. And inside we're still cleaning up. And I just wanted to show you that, like I said, a little bit of work, about 5 hours work, 6 hours work today to get these little things all straightened out. But those are so important. Without them you have no support, you have no structure. So we'll give you an update tomorrow. It'll be all cleaned out. Pop outs all be secure. And then we have another problem here. Of course, we have to tackle this whole bottom part on each one of these slide outs. The canopy, you see the apron around here. The material's gone. It's been worn. They tried doing things, monkeying it, taping, duct taping, this and that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna sew in a whole new piece of apron here, and then we're going to use the tried and true method. We'll make it a little bit longer. We can tuck them underneath. I'm going to use Velcro underneath and Velcro on those, and that'll just make it easier. That's what they do with most of them now anyway. So we'll do that. We'll get it all set, and we'll send you some end results. And thanks for being patient, and hope some of these videos helped you out. I have more. I'll be doing the roof on this, the seals also. When I bring it down, we're done with the inside, then I'll show you how to do the roof and the seals also, which is kind of important, but it's very easy. Just takes a little bit of elbow grease, a little bit of time, and we'll pick it up from there.